Namaste children, welcome to the next session, session 22 of linear equations. We will be doing the sums in exercise 3.6. Okay. Now the very first sum in that exercise, in the first subdivision is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. How do we solve it? In all the linear equations that we have seen so far, this x and y were in the numerator. If you consider this sum, the x and y are in the denominator, therefore the power of x is minus 1, the power of y is minus 1, and this power of x is also minus 1, and this power of y is also minus 1. Okay. Now, if it is the case, how will we solve by the usual methods is the next question. Okay. So, how will we solve? So, we have discussed only the solving of linear equation. That means the power of x and y should be 1. But minus 1 and minus 1, we have not got any method about it. But we can still solve it. Okay. How do we do that? Now, all of you have a close look at the board. 1 by 2 can be splitted and written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Similarly, 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y, which is equal to 2. Now then, what we are going to do? We are going to have a simple substitution as 1 by x is equal to, you can have it as some p. And then 1 by y, we can keep it as some y, some q. Okay? Are you understanding? So, if it is the case, what do we get? We get p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. So, now look at the power of p and q. They are linear powers. Therefore, we can solve it. Now, taking the LCM as 6. So, you will get 3p plus 2q is equal to 2. So, which gets on simplification, 3p plus 2q is equal to 12 is the equation number 1. Are you understanding? So, once again, we'll go through the steps. Here, the power of x and y are minus 1 and minus 1. So, we cannot proceed as it is. So, what is the only way? We can go for some substitution. What is the substitution? We will substitute 1 by x as p and 1 by x as some, 1 by y as some q. So, if you write, you will get p by 2 and here it is q by 3 which is equal to 2. Therefore, we get p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. 6 is the LCM. So, 3 times p plus 2 times q gives you 2. On simplification, that becomes 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. I have just cross multiplied 6 and 12. Is that clear to you? So, this is equation 1. Now, similarly, we have to go for the next equation. So, next equation, we can write this as p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So, what is happening here? Here it is 1 by 3 into 1 by x. So, that is nothing but we have taken this to be p, therefore p by 3. And the next will be 1 by 2 into 1 by y. We have taken 1 by y as q, therefore that has become q by 2. So, this is what I have done here. So, that I have got p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 2. Again, the LCM is taken to be 6. So, you will get on simplification 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 by 6. Are you understanding? Here I am not going to do cross multiplication. Why? The 6 here in the LHS and 6 in the denominator of the RHS. Both are in the denominator's place and therefore equal factors we can cancel. Okay, so 6 and 6 get cancelled. So, we have got the second equation as 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. That is equation number 2. Are you understanding? This is how you should do it. Now, what method is going to be easy? Tell me. Substitution method or elimination method or formula method. Whatever method you find easy, you can do. Okay, whatever method you want to do, you can do, and then you see that there is no mistake made. Okay, any method is applicable. Some of you do by elimination method, some of you do by substitution method, some of you go for formula method. That is your wish. Okay, so I want to try elimination method for this sum. So I am going to do by elimination method. Okay, now if you take the factors of 2 and 3, they are the factors of 6, or in other words, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Therefore, we can remove P by adjusting the coefficients to have 6p and 6q, so on. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try here. So if you take the LCM, the first equation you should multiply by 2. So if you multiply, we will get 6p plus 4q is equal to 24. That is equation 3. And the second equation I am going to multiply by 3. If you multiply by 3, that's again 6p plus 9q is equal to 39. This is the fourth equation. Are you understanding? Is it clear to you? The equation 1 and 2, I have adjusted the coefficients of p to be 6 by multiplying the first by 2 and the second by 3. So we have got two equations in this manner. So let me write down both the equations. 6q plus 6p plus 4q is equal to 24, and then 6p plus 9q is equal to 39. Now on subtraction, this p terms will get cancelled. So here 4q minus 9q gives you minus 5u. This is equal to, on subtraction you tell me, that becomes 15 with a negative sign. Is that clear to you? So 24 minus 39 gives you minus 15. Therefore q is equal to, this both the negatives will balance to become positive. So I get 3. So what is the value of q? It is 3. So I am going to substitute q's value in any of these equations so that I will get the value p. So I am getting 3p. First equation, let me substitute. 3p plus 2q is equal to 6. 3p plus 2q is equal to 6, which is equal to 12. Therefore, 3p is equal to 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6. Therefore, p is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. The sum is not over. Now what is the value of p, children? P is equal to 2. What is the q value? It is 3. Now p and q are not the given values. P and q are not the values of x and y. P and q are the assumed values. We have assumed 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Therefore, we cannot take them as a solution. So, what do we do? 1 by x is equal to p, which is equal to 2. So, from this you tell me what is x is equal to. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. Are you understanding? Now, 1 by y is equal to q. Q is equal to 3. Therefore, what is y is equal to? Y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3 are the solutions of the given equations. Now we have to check whether it is right or not. Shall we try? Now x is equal to 1 by 2. So denominators will go up. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we get 1 only here. Similarly, y we have got as 1 by 3. Denominator will go up and 3 will get cancelled. So again we have got 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2. Our equation is right. And similarly, for the next equation, the substitution goes like this. 1 by 3 by 1 by 2, that 1 by 3 goes up. So 3 here in this case, if this is x is equal to 1 by 2. So we will get 2 by 3. And similarly here 1 by 2 of, again we should substitute this as 1 by 3. Then the 3 will go up. So we will get 3 by 2. So on subtraction and simplification, we get the value as 13 by 6. Okay, you can even check whether your values are right or wrong. Have a look at the second subdivision. It is 2 divided by root x plus 3 divided by root y is equal to 2. 4 divided by root x minus 9 divided by root y is equal to minus 1. Okay. This equation also, the x and y do not have linear powers. So what do we do? First we have to make them into linear powers. Then only we can proceed with the sum. Okay. How do we make it? We make it by simple substitution. What is the substitution? We just substitute 1 by root x itself as some p and 1 by root y itself as some q. That is the substitution we are going to try. Shall we? Now it becomes what? 2p. It is 2 into 1 by root x. Therefore 2p, and this is 3q is equal to 2. Are you understanding? Similarly, the second equation, that becomes 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 9. Okay. Are you understanding? This can be easily done by elimination method. So we will have this as equation 1, equation 2. Just by looking at the equation, we can easily conclude either you multiply by 3 the first equation. So 9 and 9 they get cancelled, simple addition. And here also you multiply the first equation by 2, on subtraction you will get this also 4p, this also 4p, both will get cancelled. So always you should plan, whenever you come across such an equation, you should plan which is going to give you a simple working. That is very, very important. Okay. You need not unnecessarily get into difficult ones, simple methods you should try. Okay. So this is very easily it can be solved. Okay. Now we will multiply the first equation by 3. You will get 3 into 2p gives you 6p. And then this is 9q is equal to 6. So this is equation 3. And then for second equation you write as it is. Because here itself the 9q term is available with a negative sign. So by simple addition this get cancelled. Then it becomes 10p. 10p is equal to 6 divided by minus 1. Simple addition, so that becomes 5. Therefore p is equal to 5 by 10, which is half. This is the solution for p. Okay. Now how do we get the value of q? Value of q becomes what? We have to substitute somewhere here in the first equation or the second equation. If you substitute for the first equation, it is 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3q is equal to 2, means this and this will get cancelled. We'll get 3q is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore q is equal to 1 by 3. So what have we got? We have got p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by 3. But that is not the solution. So because there are, now we have got the value of p is equal to 1 by 2, q is equal to 1 by 3. These are not the solutions I have told you. So from this you have to get the value of x. How do we get it? So p is equal to 1 by 2 means 1 by root of x is equal to 1 by 2. Or here itself we can say root x is equal to 2. Therefore on squaring we will get x. Therefore we will get on squaring we get x is equal to 4. Is it clear? Root x is equal to 2. Therefore root x is equal to 2. Therefore on squaring we will get x is equal to 4. Okay. Similarly you take root q is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by root of y. On squaring we will get 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by y. Therefore we will get y is equal to 9. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9 are the solutions for this linear equations. Now we will move on to the third subdivision in this exercise. So here if you look at it, 4 by x, 3y. The power of x only is minus 1. Here also the power of x is minus 1. Y remains the same linear. It is having only a linear power. Okay. So how to solve such equations? So this is nothing but 4 into 1 by x. That means we can substitute 1 by x as some p and let y be as it is. So if that is the case, your equations will become 4p plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3p minus 4y is equal to 23. Now if you look at this, which is going to be simpler, again elimination method only is going to be simpler, because 4 and 3 LCM is 12 and 3 and 4 here also the LCM is 12. So I am choosing to eliminate the variable y. So first equation I am multiplying by 4. First equation by 4. If I multiply by 4, I will get 16p plus 12y is equal to 14 4s are 56. That is equation 3. Now in order to have 12y, I have to multiply the second equation by 3. So 3 3s are 9p, then minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 69. This is equation 4. Now by simple addition, this will get cancelled. Yes, are you understanding? So 16 plus 9 gives you 25. 25p is equal to, you add both, 125. Okay, so if you add both, you will get 125. Therefore, p is equal to 125 by 25, that is giving a value 5. So p is equal to 5. So what is the next step? We should go for the value of y. So how do we get the value of y? 4 into, substitute in the equation first. So 4 into, in the place of p you should put 5 plus 3y is equal to 14. So 3y is equal to 14 minus 4 5s are 20. So you will get minus 6. Therefore y is equal to minus 6 by 3, namely minus 2. Now here the p value is the assumed value. It is not the original x. So in order to get x value, what you should do? Should go for this substitution. So 1 by x is equal to, we have substituted as p, which is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 5, reciprocal of that. Correct? Therefore the final solution is x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. These are the final solutions. You should look at it. Now in this sum, you came across 3 different types of equations. Okay, in the first set, both 1 by x and 1 by y, we substituted as p and q. And in the second sum, it was a root substitution. And the third sum, one of the variables has to be substituted and the other one remains the same. Now in the fourth one, you just look at this pattern. X minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2, and there also 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. What is the solution? How do we go for the solution? Anyone has got a clue? Yes? Yes, correct. That is, you have to substitute the whole x minus 1 as some p and the whole y minus 2 as some q. So that you will get 5p plus q is equal to 2. And the second equation, 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Then the procedures are very simple. You have to solve by algebraic methods. Now after solving, you get x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to some p, implies x minus 1 is equal to what value, and then from there you should get x. And similarly 1 by y minus 2 you get as some q value, and then you find out it's a linear equation in one variable, solve for y. You will get the answer. I want you to try as homework, because the method is very simple, but the procedure I have told you. How to go about the procedure, you try this as homework. And tomorrow or the next session, we will again discuss about it, okay? Till then, wish you all the best. See you in the next session.